Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to indicate that you currently have a job on Indeed. Updating your status on Indeed lets recruiters know if you are available for work. So, let's get started on how to tell Indeed that you have a job. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to gotajob.indeed.com. Once on the site, look for the Share Your Story button and tap on it. Fill in the required details about how you got your job, including your name, the company name, your new job title, and job location. On the next page, explain what this job means to you and how Indeed helped you in your job search. Provide thoughtful and inspiring information based on your experience. After filling out all the information, tap on the Share Your Story button at the bottom of the page. And that's how you can tell you have a job in Indeed. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.